If you create videos or you just want to showcase your brand or products, having a good video editing software is necessary if you want to be successful in producing high-quality professional videos for all major platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or anywhere else you share your videos. In this video, we're going to be looking into 5 easy-to-use free video editing programs that can help you to stand out from your competition. Make sure that you watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on the bonus software that will be included in this video. Our list focuses on the most versatile video editing software which you could find. We know that each user has their own specific needs, so we run down some of the most useful features of each tool. These programs are geared towards laptops and desktops, since desktop applications typically have more editing power than mobile apps. All of the video editors listed in this video are either entirely free to use or have an excellent free version. The programs will be ranging from basic to advanced. Before we get into this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get updates every time we upload an epic video. Without further delay, let's get into this video. Number 5 on our list is OpenShot. OpenShot's easy-to-use user interface makes it a great video editing program for beginners. OpenShot is entirely open source, which means it's totally free to use. It tends to remind Mac users a little of iMovie with its easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. However, OpenShot offers more features than iMovie, including unlimited layers and audio mixing. It also allows real-time previews when you create transitions between clips. The overall key features include unlimited layers for watermarks, background videos and audio tracks, customizable title card templates, drag and drop functionality for easily adding video, audio or image files, digital video effects including brightness, gamma, hue and grayscale, powerful keyframe animation capabilities for creating animated videos. OpenShot is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Next up is Shotcut. Like OpenShot, it is a fully open source video editor with a huge collection of tutorial videos. It also supports a wide range of video formats. This software, however, was originally designed for Linux, which makes the interface a little quirky. Despite all this, it managed to be a top-notch video editor. Shotcut provides extensive audio editing options at your disposal. It is worth mentioning that this program is one of the few free programs that includes 4K HD resolution support. Shotcut, with its native timeline editing, doesn't require you to import your videos into the editor, which can save you a lot of time if you're dealing with large video files. The key features include support for the latest audio and video formats, native editing timeline, which allows you to import video files directly into their project file rather than a media library, multi-format timeline for mixing and matching resolutions and frame rates within a project, and also advanced audio filters like bass and treble, compressor, and much more. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Number 3 on our list is Blender. Blender is a free open source 3D creation suite. It includes features to help you model and render 3D animations. This software is a collaborative creation of hundreds of developers from around the world. The huge community of users give Blender software an extensive group of tools. Despite the fact that Blender was actually designed as a 3D animation suite, it comes equipped with a very useful video editor that can perform most of your editing needs. Blender is a very flexible video editor and caters both to beginners and advanced users. You can perform basic actions like video cuts, splicing, or you can take it a bit further with complex tasks like video masking. The key features of this program includes live preview, Luma waveform, chroma vector scope, and histogram displays, advanced rendering processes to speed up the saving and exporting of your project, audio mixing, syncing, scrubbing, and waveform visualization, advanced character animation tools for realistic kinematics, an extensive library of visual effects and vignettes. I must warn you that with such an array of features comes a steeper learning curve. Blender is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Our runner-up for this video is Lightworks. Lightworks is one of the more powerful video editors on this list. It is a great all-around video editor. This video editing software solution comes with a load of useful features. It has a free as well as a paid version which costs around $25 a month. Luckily, the free version is more than enough for most users. This editor supports a wide variety of video formats and has a lot of video and audio editing options. While most features are included, 4K video support for YouTube is only included in the paid version of the software. It is easy to get started using this tool because it comes with many video tutorials to help you understand and work on it. The following features are included in the free version: high precision video trimming, multicam support, export to 720p for YouTube, support for a wide range of video formats. Lightworks is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. At our top spot, we have HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is one of the best all-in-one free video editors that are available. HitFilm includes an animation tool that lets you create and edit audio and video transitions without the need to create composite shots, which is a huge time saver when you're editing. The free package includes over 180 special effects. There are also tutorials and training videos showing you how to use HitFilm Express. The one downside to this video editor is that it's technically demanding, so you'll need a computer with a powerful processor to run it. The key features include advanced cutting tools, keying for green screen effects, audio and video filters, compositing tools, layers and masking, and 3D video support. At this time, HitFilm Express is only available for Windows and Mac users. Congratulations if you made it this far into this video. Here's our featured bonus software for this video. It is no other than DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is arguably the most advanced video editor on this list. It is one of the more professional grade video editors that caters to more advanced users that need state-of-the-art editing software to manipulate every aspect of their project. Alongside video slicing and trimming, you can master audio and perform color correction. You can also use it to add 2D and 3D titles to your videos. If you just want to trim and upload videos, its wide array of features may make it a little bit overwhelming. And I must tell you that not all the tutorials out there are free. However, if your video project is a little more advanced, the free version of this software is hard to beat. You also have the option of protecting projects with the use of user rights. As a bonus, DaVinci Resolve also comes with a collection of 500 royalty-free sounds. DaVinci Resolve runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The key features included are advanced trimming, multicam editing, color correction, and audio mastering. Have you tried any of the video editing softwares listed in this video? Let us know your experience down in the comments. As always, all the links will be listed down in the description. If this video added any value to you, then consider subscribing to this channel and share this video with others. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.